Hi everyone, I'm at Seaburn station on the Tyne and Wear Metro. 2 platforms at the station and therefore 2 lifts. Now, the lift on platform 1 has just had a bit of a refurbishment, and the lift on platform 2, which is where I am now, the refurbishment hasn't started yet. It starts in 2 days' time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this unrefurbished lift, which you see in front of me right now, with the one that's been refurbished. So firstly, let's see what they looked like originally before refurbishment. It's on platform at the moment. Hopefully this lift is working today. These are not the most reliable, which is perhaps why the refurbishment is happening. Seems to be working though. Dewhurst fixtures, as you can see.
Stand clear. Lift doors opening. Lift going down.
Installed in 2001 by Kone.
Protection, safety and security. CCTV is monitoring this lift car.
There's a hydraulic lift. Dewhurst fixtures. Let's get this started.
Platform level. Smoking is not permitted on any part of the station. Stand clear. Lift doors opening. Stand clear. Lift doors closing. Lift going up.
3 doors there. As you can see, the fixtures do look a little bit worn, and they have been here for 20 years, so that is why there's a bit of a refurbishment going on.
For your protection, safety and security, CCTV is monitoring this lift car.
Let's have one more ride in this lift.
On any part of the station.
This is going to be quite a long video, but that's okay.
Platform level. Smoking is not permitted on any part of the station. Stand clear. Lift doors opening. Stand clear. Lift doors closing. Lift going up. For your protection, safety and security, CCTV is monitoring this lift car.
So that's the unrefurbished lift. Refurbishment starts in 2 days' time.
Stand clear.
That poster is actually out of date because the work got held back. It's actually the 21st of August today, so this refurbishment actually starts on the 23rd. And let's now go over to platform 1, where the refurbished lift just opened yesterday. And let's see what the differences are between the unrefurbished and the refurbished lift. It's raining here, so hopefully it doesn't go on the camera. So as you can see, it's still Dewhurst fixtures, but that is a new button. As you can tell, compared to the condition on the other side, this button is brand new. Looks like that display is also brand new because it's a lot brighter than the display on the other side. So new fixture, new display, new flooring and new lights. But what you might be able to hear is this has the new Kone voice, which is quite interesting on this. It says year 2021, I think. Yes, it does.
What is it? Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
So it's a lot brighter. Newer Dewhurst fixtures, newer displays, and it was refurbished by Kone in 2021. It's a shame there's not a platform announcement. It's a shame it just says street level. I've never heard in the new voice.
Doors opening.
We'll go down and up again.
Doors closing. Floor 0.
No pre-doors on this one.
Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing. Street level. Doors opening.
There you go. Street level is an announcement I've never heard from the new voice yet. So that's fairly interesting. Shame they don't have a voice for platform level as well, and it just says level 0. So I'm going to end the video on platform level.
Floor 0.
And thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video interesting.